Welcome to another video from Dependable Concrete. Today we are in Eagleville, PA to showcase a project where we transformed a damp and drab basement into a bright and clean space. By waterproofing the walls and floor, we were able to effectively seal out moisture and repair any damage. We then applied a fresh coat of paint to the walls and floor, giving the basement a brand new look. Let's drop down and take a look. As you can see in the footage, the walls were dusty, peeling, and unsightly before we began the repair process. We first prepped the walls by cleaning them and then applied glue to ensure that the cement adhered properly. But first things first, let's get started by removing this old concrete sink. Once that's done, we'll carefully disconnect the washer and dryer and remove it from the space. Finally, we'll clean up the area and get ready to begin our renovation project. So sit back, relax, and watch as we transform this basement into a beautiful and functional space. Prepping the walls is a critical step in ensuring the durability of the applied cement. Dusty and dirty walls can negatively impact the adhesion of the cement, potentially leading to cracking and weakening over time. We take great care to protect the basement floor. One of the ways we do this is by ensuring that the floor is protected from any sticky cement by using 30-weight tar paper. In addition to protecting the floor, we also take extra steps to protect other important elements in the basement. This includes wrapping pipes, light switches, water meters, and windows. We understand the importance of a strong, durable mortar mix for the walls. That's why we integrate fiber mesh into our mix to add extra strength and prevent cracking. When it comes to ensuring a strong bond between the prep wall and the new mortar cement, one of the steps we take is to apply a bonding agent or adhesive. This adhesive creates a chemical bond between the two surfaces, providing extra strength and security, preventing cracking and ensuring the integrity of the new cemented walls. As you can see in this clip, our skilled employee is applying the cement onto the tacky glue that was previously applied to the wall. For a proven durable mix, we use a 70-pound bag of masonry cement mixed with 4 buckets of bar sand. At Dependable Concrete, we use state-of-the-art technology to make the repair process as efficient and effective as possible. Instead of the traditional method of applying cement to the wall with a hand trowel and caulk, we use a mortar sprayer. This sprayer allows us to apply the cement to the wall quickly and evenly with less manual labor required. This not only speeds up the process, but also ensures a consistent and precise application of the cement. This is just one of the many ways we use advanced technology to improve the quality and productivity of our work. Understand that a basement repair job is not just about cementing the walls, but also addressing potential entry points for pests like rodents. One of the ways we prevent this is by cementing between the floor joists. This added step not only improves the aesthetics of the basement, but also provides an added level of protection for the homeowner. In this project, we apply 3 layers of cement to the wall. The first coat is applied to flatten the wall and create a surface for the nails of the waterproofing material to grab onto. The second coat is applied to cover the waterproofing materials and ensure a proper seal. The last coat is the finish coat, which is necessary for leveling the wall and providing a smooth and beautiful finish. This multiple layers of cement application is important to ensure that the walls are properly waterproofed and protected against water infiltration. Our client experienced severe water damage as water was pouring through their lower walls. The first coat, scratch coat, cured for 1 day, and now we are on day 2, applying the second coat over the waterproofing barrier. We are now scratching the second coat so that the next coat that we apply can bond to this coat. Again, it's all about ensuring a long-lasting, durable job for our clients. We roll glue on the wall between every scratch coat to ensure a durable, long-lasting bond between every coat. We are now applying the last and final coat. This is day 3, and we are now finishing the last and final coat with a sponge to achieve a flat and even finish. By smoothing and sponging the wall, we are not only achieving a flat and professional finish, but we are also preparing the wall for paint. Nicks and unevenness will be visible when the wall is painted, so it's important to smooth out the surface as much as possible. Using a sponge to smooth the final coat will help create an even and smooth finish. Sharpening all corners in the basement gives the basement a drywall-like finish. Our goal is to save our clients the high cost of hiring a carpenter for installing studs and sheetrock, which Dependable Concrete can reduce the risk of mold and mildew by alternatively applying straight and leveled coats of cement. Our aim is to provide our clients with a budget-friendly alternative to stud and sheetrock installation, and to prevent mold and mildew by eliminating water-trapping building materials. Now check out this sharp edge. There is absolutely no need for sheetrock when we complete a basement. At Dependable Concrete, we pay attention to the small details and skillfully finish around obstacles such as pipes, water meters, and HVAC units. Observe closely as our skilled worker flattens and finishes this wall. Machining the walls with this tool is the final step in achieving a flat finish. Now you can clearly see at this stage of the project how Dependable Concrete is skillfully transforming this scary basement into a beautiful, comfortable, inviting space. Now let's have a closer look at this finish. It's textured, but most importantly, it's flat and not lumpy. In a week, the walls would be fully cured and ready for painting. The walls would be painted with a white, bright paint to bring a lively atmosphere to this once scary basement.
It looks absolutely fantastic. Unbelievable. It was scary from the beginning, but this looks unbelievable. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at nice crisp corners.
Yep.
Fantastic. Oh, I could cry.
Yeah, all great. Up in there, nice and tight.
Wow.
Look how flat the wall is.
Wow. I could cry. The basement was the biggest nightmare of this whole beautiful house, and down here it was a dungeon, awful, terrible, wet, bad. And this makes me want to cry.
Now that the walls are cemented, it's time to install the waterproofing system. In this phase of basement waterproofing, we will precisely saw cut the concrete 12 inches from the walls, creating a clean cut around the entire perimeter. This type of waterproofing involves digging up 8 inches of concrete and soil, laying a pitched perforated pipe, installing a dimpled wall drain around entire wall, spreading 3/4 inch crushed stone, and then sealing the area with 3 inches of freshly poured concrete. The next step to enhancing this scary basement is to paint the walls. And we begin by masking the windows, scrubbing the walls, then applying the paint. We will apply 2 coats of high quality Sherwin Williams elastomeric paint, designed specifically for basement walls. We prefer to spray paint on basement walls instead of rolling and brushing, as it is more efficient and durable. I enjoy revitalizing old rusty pipes through the use of spray paint. The white color seamlessly blends the pipes into the walls, making them virtually disappear. Spraying is the best method for achieving a professional and polished finish. The pipe looks new now.
Oh my God.
So what you think?
Wow. I could cry.
The final step in transforming this scary basement into a welcoming space is to apply 2 coats of a quality floor paint by Sherwin Williams. To efficiently handle the moving of our clients' personal items in this basement, we painted the outside areas of the floor first. And with the assistance of our client, we were able to move her personal items from the center of the floor to the now dried outer painted area. This cleared the center area for painting. Again, we are applying 2 coats of floor paint, and I will leave the name of the product, including the color, in the description.
Vince, I can't even tell you, well, you know what the basement looked like before, and it was a nightmare. It was wet, there was constant water, and damage to the walls. The walls were in terrible shape, and what you have done here is absolutely amazing. You were at, I mean, the entire job was a big job, and as you put it, major surgery. And I could not be happier with it. It is absolutely beautiful, beyond my expectations. You were a pleasure to work with. Absolute pleasure.
Please like and share this video, and also subscribe by clicking the yellow mixer icon. Thank you.